James Kaufman, World News Report today. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday evening, 5 hospitalized as helicopter suffers catastrophic failure. We do have a video. I'd like to say that this tree right here saved everyone's life, or it appears to have. Dramatic footage, which we do have, shows a 1980 Bell 222 SP helicopter experience a tail rotor failure ahead of a Cars and Copters event at a parking lot between Twin Dolphins Drive and Beach Boulevard in Huntington Beach, California. Several witnesses captured the tail rotor failure, which I will show y'all. This led to the mid-air incident involving the Bell 222 SP. Now here is the stabilizing rotor, and once it goes, the copter starts to spin uncontrollably. Most folks know why that's there, and that's why it's there. Again, we have dramatic footage of the entire incident that occurred in Huntington Beach. 5 people went to the hospital. 2 were pulled from the helicopter, and 3 were pedestrians struck by falling aircraft or debris. Crazy stuff. No casualties in this situation have been reported. Let's take a look. Looks like it was coming in for a landing there at the event. It's strange how slow the rear rotor is spinning, I will say. First thing I noticed, it loses the rear rotor right about here and goes into an uncontrollable spin here. And luckily, no one was killed here. That tree, it looks like to me, saved the day. Big time. Here's a different angle, I believe. Let's see. Whoa. As you can see, no flames, no explosion. Unbelievable situation here. Everyone survived. I can't imagine being one of the 3 people on the ground. There was no way to tell where to go. Are these some of the people injured? I don't know. Look at that. Unbelievable that it really did not catch fire, etc. With that said, guys, God bless. He saved some lives. Took a helicopter. Please share. Please subscribe. And always remember that anything's possible. Bizarro world.